Energy. What is energy? Energy is also a form of information in this universe. Just like in the atom, the arrangement of the neutrons, protons and electrons represent information. Energy also represents information. What energy does is create changes in the location of electrons and/or creates a change to the vibrating speed of the components within the atom. Energy is information that changes the information the atoms represent. For example, if we expose water to heat energy, the components of atoms in the water molecules start vibrating faster. When the components of the atoms in the water molecules start moving faster, water becomes steam. So all that energy did was to change the information the atoms represent. So energy is a form of information that changes information within the atom. The first form of information in the matrix is the atom, and the second form of information is energy. There are many different types of energy. Every type of energy works with each element uniquely and differently. Every molecule of water boils at the same temperature, which is 100 degrees Celsius or at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. How does every water molecule boil at the same temperature? Every element has different but precise melting and boiling temperatures. In other words, every atom, depending on which element it belongs to, knows the precise melting and boiling temperatures. With energy, there are no random events. Energy works with every atom with deterministic precision. The information that atoms represent works with energy information with mathematical precision. Sound energy, chemical energy, radiant energy, electrical energy, atomic energy, mechanical or kinetic energy are some of the forms of energy in this universe. Each form of energy makes specific changes to the components of the atom in specific situations. Every form of energy is information that changes the information the components of the atom represent. Energy and atoms are two forms of information that are interacting to create our reality. The atom is 99.99% empty space. Atoms represent information by the arrangement of their three components, and the different forms of energy create different changes to the information the atoms represent. This precise behavior between the atoms and energy is possible because all the atoms and all forms of energy are controlled by a single software. Imagine all the gold atoms in this universe. All the gold atoms melt at the same temperature. How can every atom of one element know how to react in the same precise way to temperature energy input? Every form of energy creates precise changes to the components of different types of atoms. The changes these different energies make to different types of atoms are done with 100% precision. Every atom in this universe knows how to react to any form of energy with deterministic precision. Every form of energy modifies the atom in very specific ways. The atom and its components are modified precisely on the volume and the type of energy the atom is exposed to. So ask yourself, how does energy modify the atom? For energy to modify the atom and energy must be connected. This kind of precision is possible because atoms and energy are both parts of the same software. Just like the bottle and the lid, the atoms and energy work with each other with flawless precision. For precision to exist, control must exist. There can be no scientific doubt that we are living inside a matrix. Our reality is a high-technology simulation of the gods. This simulation is always in motion. Everything that happens around us is a part of the simulation, and it is designed to give us a feeling of randomness, but in truth, there is no randomness in how atoms and energy coordinate our reality. Our reality is primarily made up of the information the different types of atoms and the different types of energies present. All content in this video was excerpts from the book The Real Creator, available at Amazon Kindle. The link to the book is provided in the description below.